This video is not made for educational purposes and contains much vulgar and childish commentary. You ain't gonna learn a damn thing from watching it.
Stop, 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 stop. I knew you wouldn't do that. Is that next dive? That doesn't look top heavy at all, huh? Out on the heels of the rain. Nope, 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 direct to the left lane, cutting up minivan. Nope, 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 nope. I think that was a cutoff, Mr. Triple A. Did you pass anybody? Is your blanket broken? Hey, cut off, Subadoosh. Masshole, Subadoosh. Mario, saw you a while back, huh? Jesus Christ, douche. Get the fucking truck light on you. You were in the red ass, masshole. You just ran the red. Thank you, masshole. Don't take a U-turn. Don't take a U-turn. That plaza's blood. No, 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 no. No, 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 officer. That was an illegal U-turn. The rules apply to you, too. Stop ticketing! Ah, you bitch. You stop. Love that electric. Ah, you didn't stop. Love that electric piss color. Yes. Thank you. Thank you again. Fucking old man. Stop! Hey, wake up! Hey! The fuck was that? Next time. Yeah. Cut off. Anybody holding you up? You move it, Muffy. Did you? They were in the red. Exit diving, let's turn. Tex ass. Oh. You in a rush, Mr. Tesla? Congratulations, you're first for the red light. Do it again, douchebag. There you go. What an asshole. Hey, you had a red, motherfucker.